déclarer que nous pouvons démarrer nos travaux.
The strength of Africa will not be measured by our declarations. We all know that the real measure of this is simply, can we look a farmer in Zimbabwe, a nurse in Mali, a teacher in Burundi, and say honestly, your life changed because of what we decided in the African Union. If not, let's stop applauding ourselves. Unity is not a virtue. Unity is a weapon, or it is nothing. So let's argue, let's disagree, but history will not remember our speeches. History will remember the one ambassador who said, I was wrong. Because that ambassador will have proven that Africa is not afraid of truth. History will remember whether we strengthened the institutions entrusted to us. It will remember whether we chose solidarity over division and vision over hesitation. I have every confidence that this committee, the PRC, possesses the wisdom, the experience, and the determination required to meet these expectations.